Hey guys, this is Alex from GT Games, and we have a brand new Ultra Premium Collection 151 UPC box right here. We're going to do an unboxing for this guy and see what kind of contents we get inside. We're really excited about this set. Everybody's been going wild for the 151, and we just got our hands on the UPC, so let's check it out. So there's the nice Mew on the front, sliding him out. Alrighty, it looks like a pair of brand new shoes or something. Oh, look at that. It actually flips open right in the top there. Look at that. There's the 3 promos. You got your metal Mew card right here, Mewtwo and another Mew. Those are exclusives to the 151 set. Got all of our packs. Let's take out the packs and see how many we got. Should be 16 of them. That is real nice, real crisp. They definitely did a good job with the boxing of this UPC. It definitely feels like it's a little bit more premium than just a regular box. We got a little deck box in here, some dice and some coins. Let's look at those guys next. So there is the deck box itself. It's got some rainbow colors, the Pokemon on it. It's a little bit light. It's one of those lighter, thinner plastic materials. It looks like it does have a Velcro on there. It's pretty decent. I'm not really sure what you would be using that for, because are you building a specific 151 deck? Maybe. We got 6 pink little play dice in here. And then we got 3 coins, one of them with the Mew, and then 2 smaller ones over here. So those are pretty cool. Made in USA. That's pretty cool too. Back in the box, here's this beauty. We have the Playmat. Now that looks sweet. Let's unwrap this guy. Whoops. And there is the Mew Pokeball Playmat. That is a really nice playmat. I thought it was going to be all pure white, but there's definitely some color tone going from the bluish purple over to the green and pink. That's a really nice playmat. That's really cool. And then left over in the box, you just got the 3 promo cards over there. And then the packs here should be 16 total packs. There's 4, 8, 12, and 16 crispy 151 packs right there. So that's it, guys. That's the new 151 UPC. Those are all the box contents. Hopefully we'll see you next time.